Good morning, my friends. Hope you're doing well and you are having a great weekend and a great week. So, friends, let's proceed on the schema discussions that we had last week. I wanted to, carry on with this discussion. We already discussed the star schema in my previous class. So, let me proceed with the session further so that we will have a clear understanding of the different type of schemas. So we have already understood now what is the star schema, and let me give you an interview definition for the star schema. The star schema is a data warehouse modeling technique where a central fact table containing business measures is connected directly to multiple dimension tables containing descriptive informations. So what does this mean? So if you see my friends here, and also, you also have to remember a star schema contains one central fact table. But however, if you see in the real business model, a data warehouse can have multiple star schemas, each with its own fact table. When multiple facts tables shares common dimensions tables, the overall design is called the fact constellation or galaxy schema. So now you now see we are trying to understand a new concept that is called as galaxy schema. So this is an example, my friends, if you see here, this is a simple example of a star schema where we are trying to do some research on the sales table, which contains transactional data. So this is the sales fact table, and these are some of the dimensional table, which stores descriptive informations. So if you see here, this stores date, customer information, this stores product informations, and store informations. But there could be cases where, multiple dimensions tables could be there and multiple facts tables could be there. Say, for example, if an organizations have different, line of business, it could be procurement, purchase or sales, or inventory optimization, finance. So in those cases, if you see here, so we have three fact tables for sales fact, purchase fact table, returns fact tables. This example is of Galaxy schema, where different facts tables shares common dimensions tables. So you see, this facts table share this all these three fact table share these three common dimensions. So this is known as galaxy schema. This is most probably used in many organizations and many places now. So if I proceed further, my friends, so we should see the observation. What is the observation here? So the situation is when one fact table, so we call it a star schema, and when we have multiple fact tables sharing the dimensions, then we say it is a galaxy schema. We have one more schema that is called a snowflake schema, so which has one fact plus normalized dimensions. So what does this mean, normalized dimension? This is a very important question. So this is, breaking the dimensional table into subcategories, for avoiding the duplicate values or data redundancy. So this is a very important feature. We'll discuss this in our next session. So it will take some time for you people to understand. So this is one of the, very important concepts. So this comes into snowflake schema. So this is what we need to understand here as of now. So for the star schema, just think simple. One star is equal to one fact table. That means there is one fact table surrounded by the dimensional tables. And what is galaxy? Galaxy is many stars connected by shared dimension tables. That means the company could have different lines of business, but it shares common dimensional tables. This is, my friends, we discuss about the star schema and the galaxy schema. In my next class, we will learn about the snowflake schema, which is nothing but one star with normalized dimensions. So it has different products, sub-products, a category, subcatalogs. So we will discuss further on this session in my next session. So my friends, do subscribe my channel and ask your friends also to subscribe the channel. This is very wonderful session, which where we are discussing about core concepts of data science and data analytics, and this will help you understand the basic concepts, to deep dive into this field. So stay tuned to my channel and ask your friends and family members to subscribe this channel. And take care and have a great day ahead. Thank you.